Hello guys, today we are going to talk about the classic editor of WordPress. This plugin is amazing for classic editing your posts, your pages. If you don't want to work with the blog, release it on the version of 5.0. So here, for example, if you go to the plugins we have installed, we can go to the settings of once you install it and activate it, is direct you directly to the writing settings on PHP. Here on this page, you can edit if you are the user of or administrator of the whole website. You can use a block editor, or well, here the option is the classic editor. And whether you have for example some people who write for you, so you can switch to editors to yes if someone prefer to use a block editor. Anyway, that's it. So we going to create, for example, a post and see how the classic editor plugin will like we can allow us to create a post. You can see here, as you have seen on the interface of the plugin, here you can edit, for example, hello, and you can create a text, a full text. Here you have some where to put the categories and tags. Here we are on the visual. Here, if you are using, for example, HTML, you can use some codes here, or link maybe, or code, or close tags, depending on what your content you are adding. Here I'm adding Elementor, but is not the subject of our video. This video is related to Classic Editor. So here, for example, if you add some HTML code, it will be visual on here on this side. So that's it. If you really enjoyed this video, I hope you like it and subscribe if you would like to. Thank you.